Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Call of Duty Black Ops 6. While trying to play the game, you get a crashing error with different error codes, especially whenever you click on the multiplayer option. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu, click on the option Windows Update. From here, choose the option Download and Install. Once the updates are downloaded, scroll down and click on the option Advanced Options, and here click on the option Optional Updates. From here also, you need to check mark each and every update available and then click on the option Download and Install to make your operating system up to date. Nextly is, if you are using the game using the Xbox, select the game, click on this 3-dot button and choose the option Manage. Click on the Files menu and click on the option Verify and Repair to repair the corrupted files. If you are using Steam, launch the Steam, right click on your game and choose the option Properties. Over here, click on the option Installed Files and choose the option Verify Integrity of Game Files, which will do the same thing for repairing your corrupted Black Ops 6 files. Once done, relaunch the game to fix out the crashing issues while playing the game. Now if this method failed to work out, in next step, go ahead and update your graphic drivers. In case of NVIDIA, the process is pretty simple. Simply download the option of automatic driver updates by clicking on this download link, and once downloaded, install this program, and this program will automatically update your drivers to the latest version. In case of AMD, you need to download AFM2 preview drivers. For that, here is the direct link. Simply scroll down and under the package content, click on this particular link to download the latest drivers. Save it into a system or wherever you want, and once these drivers are downloaded, go ahead, install these drivers and then relaunch the game to fix out the issue of Black Ops 6 crashing while clicking on the option Multiplayer. If this also failed, in third step, head over to Settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option Gaming. Here choose the option Game Mode. So if it is turned on, go ahead and choose the option Turn Off. After disabling the game mode, again restart your PC and then relaunch the game to fix out the crashing issues while playing the Black Ops 6. If this also failed, in next method, you need to change the launch options. So open up your Steam, right click and choose the option Properties. Now here, under the launch options, type in -DX11 and then launch the game. If DX11 doesn't work, type in DX12 and then relaunch the game. You have to do these two changes one by one to check which method works out for you. After changing the launch options, you need to change the compatibility of the game also. To do so, again you need to browse the directory of the game. In case of Steam, right click, Properties, click on Installed Files and select the option Browse. This will open the directory of the game. In case of Xbox, click on this 3-dot icon, choose the option Manage, click on the Files menu and here choose the option Browse. Open Call of Duty Content folder and here you will find a file with the name COD. Right click and choose the option Properties. Here click on Compatibility tab and click on the option Change High DPI Settings. From here, check mark the option Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Hit OK, hit Apply and OK button. Now make sure to restart your PC and then relaunch the game to fix out the crashing issues while playing the game. Now if all these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, the last hope you have is to delete a folder with the name MP4 which is available right in this directory of the game. In Call of Duty folder, open Content folder and here you will find a folder with the name MP24. It is of around 30 GB. Simply right click and choose the option Delete. Once the folder is deleted, now again in this Xbox app, click on the option Verify and Repair so that this folder will be re-downloaded by the Xbox app. And in case of Steam, after deleting the folder, right click on your game, choose the option Properties, click on Installed Files and choose the option Verify Integrity of Game Files so that the deleted folder will be re-downloaded using the Steam. And once done, relaunch the game and this will completely fix out the crashing issues while playing the Black Ops 6. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.